Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your Instagram posts without deleting them. So let's get started. If you don't want to show any of your posts to your followers, then in that case this tip will help you. The process to hide your Instagram posts is quick and straightforward. Open Instagram app on your smartphone. Now tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now select any post which you want to hide from your followers. Let's say I wish to hide this post. Now tap on three dots located at the right side. From the available options, tap on Archive option and your post will be hidden from your followers. If you wish to unhide the post, then tap on hamburger menu icon, which is horizontal three lines located at the top right corner. Tap on Archive option. On the top you will see a drop down. Tap on it. Now from the available options, tap on Post Archive and you will find the post that you had archived. Tap on the post to open it. Now tap on three dots and then tap on Show on Profile option and the post can be seen by your followers. So that is how you can hide your Instagram posts without deleting them. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.